Hey, it's Jennifer from Jennifer Tries. If you've watched my intro video, you know exactly what's going to happen. I am Jennifer and I'm going to try things. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and head over to check on the introduction, but I will tell you right now, every week we're going to do a video of something that I am going to try. This is something that I've either tried in the past and never tried again, or it's going to be something entirely new. Today is going to be something, I would say, it's somewhat new to me. I've personally never tried this on myself, but I have tried it on my friend, and it turned out pretty okay. I mean, for my first try. But today, I'm going to contour. Yeah, I think that the thing to get away from these videos is that expectations should be low. I just spent 45 minutes trying to get the camera situation up, and maybe that should have been my first video. So anyways, we're gonna get right to it. I've already got foundation on. I used a Physicians Formula drugstore foundation, which I don't love, and now that I'm looking at myself in the camera, I can tell that I am very pale. So this is probably not my color, but it is what I have right now. So I guess one of these videos I'm gonna be trying foundations. But again, like I said, I love beauty, I love makeup, I love trying things. The one thing is I don't have contour products per se, but what I used on my friend was just what I had, and it's actually quite old. It's a Bare Minerals Ready Bronzer, and a lot of you makeup people out there that are going to probably criticize me for using really old makeup, but I really like it, and I haven't really needed to go buy any yet. And then the brush I'm using is just this Real Techniques brush. So I've watched my fair share of YouTube videos. My favorite beauty bloggers are Candy Johnson. I love her. She's the very first beauty blogger I ever saw online, and I was looking for retro makeup I was gonna go as a retro nurse for Halloween, and so she was one of the first videos that I found, and I actually followed her tutorial to do my Halloween makeup. She was much more beautiful in it than I was, but she does really great tutorials. So I found I wanted to find some that were gonna be easy for me to understand, and since I like her so much and I like her videos, I just followed along with one of hers. I'm going off of memory right now because I don't have, my phone is, I'm using it, and I don't have my computer. I don't know where it is, but we're just gonna go ahead and get started from memory, basically. So when I put on my makeup, like I said, it's pretty minimal. It's usually foundation, and it's usually a very sheer foundation. So Glossier's tint that I like, any kind of BB cream, and then I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is Dr. Perricone. They're No Makeup, and that's one of my favorites. I'm out of that one, or else I would have been wearing that. I also like, I can't remember right now. So I have my trusty mirror right here. So when I use my makeup, I do use bronzer, and I just sort of do the three thing, and then I kind of, you know, blend it out, and just kind of give myself a little more color, because my skin, it's very red, and I have a lot of freckles. I love my freckles. I've really grown into my freckles, but the redness, I'm still trying to figure out how to make that go away. And right now my skin is really, really red, which is why I actually use this thicker foundation, which I really don't like right now on me. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, from what I understand with contouring, is you wanting to sharpen up your face and make it more chiseled. Now if I don't understand that and you do, please comment below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Again, like I said, low expectations. I'm gonna go ahead and start over here, and I'm hoping that this sort of picks up on the, I think it is, here. Yeah, you can kind of, looks like I got dirt. I just smushed dirt on my face. And then I remember learning the fish face when I was really young, and I used to get my makeup done at the department stores. They always told me, but it's not because of bronzer, it was because blush. So I'm of a older age, and the blush back in the day was like, so we'd go And then bright pink blush. So I'm gonna fish face. I also have another brush to blend everything out. Okay, and I'm gonna go under my jaw. I'm gonna try to see if I can hide this little, not little, this double chin hair with chin hairs. Okay. Let's see. I just look like I got dirt. Like I just went out, actually just rubbed dirt on my face, but I don't know. I love watching videos of people doing their makeup. It's like, it's one of those like things for me where I just need to calm myself, and I love watching makeup tutorials. I feel like they're very calming, but some are really funny. Some I'm like, oh, okay, so they're gonna blend, you know, they're gonna make it look very like, you know, clean and blended and perfected, and they don't. And I'm like, oh, okay. I mean, I'm not a professional, but but I know that I don't think that's right. Like, I think I have a line on my neck for my foundation. I think that's right. I'm trying to remember now. Okay. And then I do see them kind of do like that thing, or like my weird. So I remember this, I've got this really deep set dimple, I guess you want to call it. And I remember I used to get teased all the time in school, and boys would come up and just like push their fingers in it, and it was really uncomfortable. I did not like that. And then when I pout, or if I'm just like a RBF face, it's like really like, you can really see it. Okay, now the nose. So I do think I'm kind of a bigger nose, so this is gonna be the fun part. Maybe. I think I just need different product, maybe. I don't know. Okay. I'm kind of looking like I'm getting ready to go on stage on Broadway. Broadway. Spit. Sorry. Okay. So I think that's it. So thanks for watching. I think I did a really great job. I'm just kidding. Kidding. So I have this other brush. It's just like a Lancome. I got it in like a holiday thing. So I'm just gonna blend everything out and kind of just make it look less terrifying. Oh my. Yeah, I don't think that I did very well. I feel like I look like I did a really terrible job, but my nose looks almost fake. I mean, I'm gonna go with it. Okay. The one thing that I also do, I feel like I just need to, okay. It's weird because when I look in this, I mean, it looks fine, but then if I get a glimpse of myself in the camera, I look crazy. This is a soft brush. I'm just gonna go with it. I can't really. Okay, so the one thing I also do is like I said, I don't wear a lot of like eyeshadow. I don't go crazy or anything like that. I would love to be able to figure that out. But a lot of the times I just take my bronzer, and I usually don't use this one for my bronzer. I use a Physicians Formula butter bronzer, which I really like because it's very light. But I take this and then I usually squeeze it and then I just put it on my eyelids. So I'm actually gonna finish up my makeup while I'm doing this, which isn't a lot, but I figured might as well. This other thing I'm using, which again, please hold all criticisms till the end. It's very old. I really should get a new one. I just can't find it, but it's Tarte. Oh, I can't find it because I was looking on the wrong website. I thought it was Too Faced. There you go. But it's this really pretty, like peachy, nudie, peachy pink color. It's very pretty. Did I look on the right website? Well, I know what I'm gonna do tonight because I really quite like it. And then my mascara is just the Glossier Lash Slick, which is one of my favorites because it's very natural. Yeah. So there you have it. And then for lipsticks, I do have a really lovely lipstick that I like, but it's very dark, and so I usually only wear it if I'm going out, which is pretty much once a year. And that's usually my birthday. So I usually I have the Glossier Blonde.coms, and I have the cherry one, and it's tinted, and I really love that one. And then I use a lot of the Fresh products, which are really lovely. So having said that, this is my very first time contouring. I think it looks fine, but I'm gonna keep practicing because I want it to look like next level perfect. Like I know what I'm doing, like I have my life together. That's how I want people to portray me and to see me. Like, look at her contour. She has it together. She knows what she's doing. She knows where she's going in life. That's what I want people to think of me. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next one. It's gonna be really fun and very exciting. So if you haven't, so you don't miss out, go ahead and hit the reminder button and go ahead and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. Tell me if you've ever contoured. I feel like I'm probably the last person in the world that's ever contoured, but if you haven't yet, let me know. And then if you do and it's your first time, show me. I can't wait to see it. I'll see you in the next video, and I can't wait to hear from you. Also check me out on Facebook or Instagram and follow along and say hi. I'll say hi back. Bye.